I never hear. Again, where they happen? One of my friends tell me say they happen somewhere for inside this along Jogo Bokno side. One Father Christmas prophet.
Father Christmas. Tell us story.
Now wetin dey happen now? They say they enter this man shrine. Anything wey you want, the man go do am for you. I wan go there because Christmas is coming. You know na. As happening babe wey I be, I go carry my makeup, my lipstick, carry go meet this man, so that he go hajele something inside my makeup if I rub am.
I trust you.
Come outside now. I go rock man.
You see what?
They go dey bow, they go give me money. Christmas I go carry car dey travel because I must make money. This Christmas, they go get money. I go go. I just say make I tell you now.
Please go. There is one of my co-wife. The children they are coming from outside country. She just parading and my children is coming to do Christmas for me. This and that. In fact, I want to show her better. I want them to die as they enter Nigeria. Let them have accident. And finish all of them. I want this Christmas to be a black Christmas for that woman because her pride is too much. I want to put her in a pain that she will not rise up.
Get problem.
Please take me to that place.
I will take you. I will take you.
You know, after it's food sell, I'm selling food. Christmas, I want to make money. Okay. I want something I will put inside my food that people will be rushing. Coming to buy from me so that I have enough money this Christmas.
And the man, they said man,
I want to write
they said the man did too much.
Please, you carry me to that place.
I'm interested. More than two of you, sir.
Okay.
Because my ministry is not moving forward. If I talk, nobody believes me. Enough is enough. For how many years I've been answering them, prophet, but nothing to show, nothing to prove. I went where I get power. That carry fire, that when I talk like this, if I open my mouth and say, I need millions for the ministry to move forward, they will pay it without wasting time. Enough is enough. I'm tired of finance, lack of finance. I need power. When I prophesy like this, that is with the money.
But this Christmas, I don't want slack. I don't want
I don't want to like members any longer.
Men go get to like they go collect motor this time around.
If you are collecting men, don't come to my own side.
I will collect your husband.
Don't come near my husband.
Your husband, you know
you are my party.
Collect the pocket to make
Wait, let me tell you. Whether you collect your husband, she will not collect your husband. When the power come, when the prophecy come, your husband will surrender.
Okay. You because you need my husband.
If I say
okay, to have. Let's go there.
Let's go. Hey, wasting time. I'm not wasting time again.
I believe say this place where we dey go, this Father Christmas place, you go give me hot mother. So I go take rock men this Christmas.
I hope so.
I don't want carry last thing. I don't want carry last at all. As we go there now, I go just collect. I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready to do whatever they ask me to do.
I trust you for that one. My own. Now that's my business. In fact, I want to drive gift this Christmas.
I know now.
And that my co-wife, the children that is coming back from America. In fact, that woman, the way she's carrying herself, and my children, I want to be with her this Christmas. I hope when you carry me to that place, that Father Christmas, I know you do something.
Yes.
Anything with me I do, I go do one.
No,
that's why I
must do whatever.
I want to do.
People they do and they carry 3 heads.
No, not the only one head they carry. That's my ministry. Here again, I'm a member and brand solution man.
Yes, now.
I'm not that ministry. Already, to show me open already.
You
My members.
Yes.
Maybe they go. We are delaying.
Well, I ain't got
they go.
I'm so happy that I'm going to get this. I say when my friend was telling me about that,
those things are part of the solution. And now, I'm so very, very happy. We need to ask people about the shall we not as you get? This is what you must find him, you must find him.
Yes. I see people. They are coming. Go down to the shrine. What thou seekest, I see. Your mind, thou art seeking for wealth, riches, fame, and connection. You are welcome to my temple. I am the Father Christmas. You are hearing? Yes, I give that wealth. You are welcome, daughters. You want to riches? Yes, Father Christmas. Master who? I give you one riches. Riches! And the fame shall be your own. Apostles. This is for covenant. That whatever we are going to do, you will not break the law. Remember, Father Christmas, give it wealth for your soul in return. No coming back. You have entered this road. You are falling back. Yes. You die like a chicken. Christmas chicken. Yes. I would like to speak to you one after the other. Two of you. You go and sit and wait for me. You sit down. Tell me what you want me to do for you. I give wealth. I give riches. Sit down. What thou seekest to my
Father Christmas.
I am the Father Christmas.
I am come.
To do what?
To get power. To run my ministry.
Your ministry?
Yes.
You are the servant of that holy.
Yes.
I always see your father shopping. But why can't you wait for him? To remember you for the days, for you to remember are so few, but since you are so inquisitive to get it, let me see if your wish will be granted.
Okay, sir. I want my wish to be granted. I'm tired. I suffered a lot in ministry. I suffered a lot for how many years?
Yes. Doctor, speak no more. What is the name of your ministry?
Fire, kill, deliverance ministry.
Fire, kill, deliverance ministry. Then I will give you your ministry in your name.
Okay, sir.
Your ministry will be a Royal Global Champion Ministry.
Okay, Father Christmas.
Remember, I be your God. I am your God. Of that altar. When you are calling fire, I am the one. When you are calling the blood, it's no longer the blood of the Holy One. Above, it's my blood. The angels are my servants. They are walking here.
No trouble. I accept.
You will make millions. Money queen shall be granted unto you. You see this?
Yes, sir.
You will rob it.
Okay, sir. I want to make fame and get wealth.
When you get to your house today, put in the water and bathe. After the bathing in the night, you will rob, and I will pay you a visit. On your bed, don't resist anyone that appears to have seduced you. My dear Lord, we come. That is the fortification. Thank
When I speak, it shall come to pass.
It shall come to pass. It shall command crowd.
Crowds,
Miracles.
wealth,
Signs.
for men and women.
But remember, I am the God in your altar. When you call the God, I am the one. The Holy One is me. I shall be in your altar. I give you this for miracle. Men will fall for you. But I will pay you a visit for your ministry to get to thousands, 500,000. I will pick a child from you, and every year your members will be dying. The more one die, the more people will be coming, and nobody will suspect you.
I will command crowds.
You will command crowd.
Wealth.
Well,
When I do like this,
miracle will happen.
miracle will happen.
Yes. Go. Let me perform you.
A feeling of attraction,
Attraction.
of favor,
Of favor.
unmerited favor. I receive it. I receive it. I receive it. Oh! Come here, my life. It happened life.
Daughter,
Sir.
I empower you.
Okay, sir.
Go with this power.
Amen.
Go! 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 Go and hug men. Hug women.
Oh!
Go and produce other young ones. In the name of impartation.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, go. And remember to return for your Thanksgiving. Go. Where is the next person? How immediately? You are welcome, my daughter. Sit down.
Thank you.
You are in the altar of Father Christmas.
Thank you.
I make people rich. I give wealth to anyone I want to give wealth. I give life to anyone I want to give life. But there is one that's stronger than I. He that's above. The day you choose to come here, you have no relationship with him. Your relationship and your souls belongs to Father Christmas.
No problem, provided you give me the wealth.
What thou seekest before my altar.
Man, my co-wife, she has children outside the country and they are coming back this Christmas. She was just doing guy for me, making noise, all sort of noise. So I want them to die.
You want to end them?
Yes, I want to end their life. I want to make this Christmas a black Christmas for her, so that she will not seem out to talk.
You want that to be achieved? What else do you want me to do for you?
I am selling food. So in my business, I want to make money. I want both rich men to be coming to buy from me. This Christmas, I want to have millions of dollars, not even naira. I need money. I want to ride the highest jeep in this world.
You are welcome to the middle where money is. See money, dollars.
Wow.
See dollars. They shall become yours.
Thank you, Father Christmas.
Can you
I cannot wait.
do what it takes to get this money?
Anything you ask me to do, I will do it. Anything.
Now, you will go. You will go and shave. All kind of lots. You bring it to the hair, you shave. You bring it for me to prepare concussion. And you will wash your menstruation. You use it to cook for men. Finally, you will look for a madman before the expiration of 7 days and sleep with a madman. Go and sell your market as off. Your co-wife, son coming with a wife from US. Leave the matter for me. Why that name? Mention the name in my calabash. Mention the name of your boy.
Chinedu and his wife, Mr. Chinedu and his wife Lolita.
I see. There we come. They come down from the airport. As vehicle carry them to their father's house, they will be attacked. With the young men, I will send a force from this altar.
Thank you.
They will fire and shoot them.
Thank you. That is what I want.
It is done.
Thank you, Father Christmas.
But I shall give you something. Remember, I am the one in charge of your life and what you are cooking. Put it in the food. You are cooking, you are selling. Every food, don't miss. Men will come from far and near. They will patronize you. The millions will become yours. And remember that Father Christmas will drop money on your bed. They drop dollars. Whenever you sleep, you wake up, you see dollars, don't be afraid. As many that are eating your food, their destiny is returning to us. Go! Your case is settled. There is a nice sister. Hey!
The prophet himself.
I am.
Father Christmas.
Who knows my existence? Who still remember me?
It's me, oh.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
To my tabernacle.
Thank you.
What can I do for a beautiful lady like you?
Hey, Father Christmas, you know, as Christmas is coming.
Yes.
I want men to be rushing me. The ones that have money, not men. Ordinary men. Yes. So I need them to be rushing me. I am prepared. I came with my makeups.
Yes.
You understand? So that you will anoint it for me. I will rub. They will see me. They will fall in love with me. Any amount I ask them, they will give me. This is my phone. Yes. My connection. So they will be calling me.
As a hookup girl. They will be falling.
Yes, so that's why I'm here.
Senators will become politicians.
Yes.
Great and small. They will fall on your laps. They will be crying and you make them. With my automatic I will give you. I am the Father Christmas who knows how to bless his children. You take a good step. That's a good step on the first one. You couldn't wait for him that is above to delay, to waste your time. Sometimes you will not see.
I need it sharp.
Now, anyone you call me this way, I enter the name. It's yours.
Hey. Thank you.
Let me transfer.
Hey.
Power has entered. My daughter, I will give you something. Whenever you have finished, spread it. Both small and big. Young men will fall in your hands.
Thank you, Father Christmas.
Any man who perceives it becomes yours.
Yes, so.
But remember to return in this altar.
That one is not a
Forget Thanksgiving.
Not a problem.
But when you need more, I know what to do. I will take you to 7 seats and beg you. Your hookup will go international. You can go. I have other clients waiting for this.
Okay.
Go! Your case is settled.
Alright.
On this altar. Take your food.
Thank you.
Go and get men and bring it up.
Yes, so.
My name is Jude. Viewers, like my video and subscribe and subscribe. God bless this channel.
Viewers all over the world, my name is Sister Lilian Ekedobe. Like our videos, subscribe. God bless.